Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to continue with chapter 8 of class 10th similar triangles of state syllabus Telangana. Page number 204. Do this exercise guys. What values of x will make DE is parallel to AB in the given figure? Given dimensions are AD equal to 8x plus 9, CD equal to x plus 3, BE equal to 3x plus 4 and CE equal to x. This is a given triangle, rough triangle, and given DE is parallel to AB. Okay, so we need to find the value of x guys here. So mention all the given values from the given question. So from the given triangle ABC, given that DE is parallel to AB, we need to find the value of x. Guys, in the exam, the presentation of sum is very important, and also the steps what you are mentioning for each question, that is also very important. Okay, for each step the marks will be varied guys. Don't think about only for the answer. Okay, steps are very important in mathematics, and presentation also very important. However, I am following steps, follow the same. It will be very helpful for your examination. Okay, so first step is first learn what is given in the question and what to find, then mention the formula or whatever related to that, then in the conclusion step do this simplification part. Okay, now coming to the sum, we need to find the value of x guys. So since D is parallel to AB, so as per the BPT, basic proportionality theorem, so if a line is parallel to third side, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. That only we learn in the BPT, right? So how, if a line D is parallel to AB, how these other two sides AC and BC, how it divides in the same ratio? So it can be written as AD by DC equal to BE by EC guys. Okay, AD by DC equal to BE by EC. That is the BPT theorem. Okay, so mention all the values as per the question and simplify guys. We get a quadratic equation here, 5x square minus 10x plus 6x minus 12 equals 0. So taking the factors here, we get from first two terms you can take 5x common, from second two terms you can take 6 common. Okay, therefore we get factors are 5x plus 6 and x minus 2 guys equal to 0. So to find the value of x, equate each term or each root equal to 0. We get 5x plus 6 equal to 0. It implies x equal to minus 6 by 5 and x minus 2 equal to 0, that equal to x equal to 2. So in the real time the values, the dimensions cannot be negative, right? So we don't consider negative values, we will take only positive values. Therefore x equal to 2 and x cannot be negative, I mentioned here. Okay, so please go through this sum once again, and wherever you are getting doubt, please comment me in the comment section. Okay, and please practice the sums on day-to-day basis guys, so that you will remember and you will get some more ideas. Okay, so thank you for watching for this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more updates and for more videos. Thank you guys.